The Lord Chancellor has been too slow and too reluctant to do her duty.
Where is she?
Under pressure but sticking to its guns. The British government faced fury on Monday over the criticism of judges who ruled that Parliament must vote before Brexit can be triggered. But ahead of an appeal next month, the chief Brexit minister insisted plans to start 2 years of negotiations to leave the European Union were on track.
First of all, our plan remains to invoke Article 50 by the end of March. We believe the legal timetable will allow for that. Second, the referendum result must be respected and delivered. The country voted to leave the European Union in a referendum provided for by an Act of Parliament. There must be no attempts to remain inside the EU, no attempts to rejoin it through the back door, no second referendum.
Last week's ruling by the High Court led to headlines in some newspapers that the judges were not impartial and wanted to stop Brexit. For its part, the opposition Labour Party has put out mixed messages over its Brexit policy. On Monday, it promised not to stop Article 50 if Parliament did vote on it, but demanded a full discussion of what the negotiations should aim for.
There is a mandate to leave, and we will not frustrate the process by voting down Article 50. But we cannot have a debate in a vacuum. The future relationship of the UK with our EU partners is at stake. The future relationship of the UK in the world is at stake. The Prime Minister simply cannot keep all of this to herself.
With Brexit still generating plenty of heat in Westminster and beyond, Nigel Farage, interim leader of the UK Independence Party, has called for a mass protest outside next month's Supreme Court appeal. Now it's emerged the government is preparing draft legislation on Article 50, ready to use in the case of another legal defeat. Between now and next spring, there are likely to be plenty more twists and turns in this ongoing debate. Nadim, Al Jazeera.